I'm going to show you how to keep your online reputation clean and pristine. My name is Curtis Boyd and I am an expert in online reputation management, or ORM for short. It's a complicated topic that can be hard to understand, so today I'm going to break it down into layman's terms so anyone can make sense of it. Along the way we'll talk about why this is important, what happens if you don't take care of your online presence, as well as some tips on how you can keep up with your own ORM needs. Let's get started. Online reputation management is a great strategy to use for your business. It's important to take care of your online reputation because that's where most people will find you today. The internet has changed the way we do things, and our customers often check out our businesses before they decide whether or not to buy from us. Reputation management is a tactic that can be used to influence the perception of an individual or business. In general, this means making sure that everything someone says about you is good and nothing bad slips through the cracks. A great reputation is invaluable. It can help you get more business, make more money, and even give you peace of mind. On the other hand, a bad reputation can do just the opposite. It will cause problems in your life that are difficult to fix. You may lose customers or be unable to attract new ones because they've heard negative things about your business. Businesses of all sizes are realizing that they need to have a good online reputation. It's not enough anymore just to have a website and put up some flyers around town, you really need an online presence. Objection.co is a company that helps with the management of your online reputation. If you're tired of getting illegitimate negative feedback all over the web, Objection.co is your solution. Objection is a tool for small business owners that helps manage their reviews on Yelp and Google. Visit Objection.co now to learn more.